Zero in on what matters most with privacy zones for video accounts. This new customization feature enables you to block specific areas from being captured on video while focusing on areas that matter to you. To configure a privacy zone, click on the Video tab, then click Settings. Select the desired camera from the drop-down menu. Click Privacy Zone. To create the privacy zone, click the camera image to draw a shape around the area you wish to exclude from the camera view. Click and drag the corners of the privacy zone to your desired shape and size. If desired, up to 3 privacy zones can be configured in this way. Do not overlap privacy zones with video analytics areas of interest. For best performance, use privacy zones along the edge of the camera's field of view. When you have finished configuring all desired privacy zones, click Save in the lower right corner of the screen.